Hey guys, I decided to make grounded videos out of Lil Lightning from 101 Dalmatians 2, Patch's London Adventure, and if you like 101 Dalmatians 2, Patch's London Adventure, I respect your opinion, so, enjoy the video. Hey Thunderbolt, can we go to Arby's? Because I am hungry.
Sure, Lil Lightning, since the movie Christmas is Here Again is damage, let's just go to Arby's.
Yeah.
Hello, and welcome to Arby's. How may I help you?
I will have 5 chicken strips, small curly fries, and a small cup of water.
And they will have a medium roast beef sandwich, medium curly fries, a medium Pepsi, and an apple turnover.
I'm sorry, but there are no apple turnovers left.
What? Please tell me you're joking.
Don't feel bad. How about a chocolate turnover instead?
Why?
Because Lil Lightning, there are no apple turnovers left. Why not get a chocolate turnover instead?
No! I want an apple turnover and that's goddamn final. Safana, Lil Lightning is acting like a spoiled brat. Let's go eat at McDonald's instead.
I agree with you, Junior. Let's go to McDonald's instead.
Oh, Lil Lightning, you just scared away Junior the hoodie kid and Safana the winter girl. That's it. You are grounded for 4 months. Let's go home right now.
When they got home.
Go to your room right now. Patch, you won't believe what Lil Lightning did.
What did he do?
He was misbehaving at Arby's by throwing a tantrum about not getting an apple turnover, and then he scared away Junior the hoodie kid and Safana the winter girl away.
Oh my god! Thank you for telling me, Thunderbolt. He is in big trouble.
I agree with you, Patch. I'm so mad at him.
Oh, Lil Lightning, how dare you throwing a tantrum about not getting an apple turnover? You know there are no more apple turnovers left. And how dare you scare away Junior the hoodie kid and Safana the winter girl? Now they are eating at McDonald's. That's it. You are grounded for 4 months. Now stay in bed right now.